8 as 8. Wait, no, I'm telling you. You first, क्या? नहीं फर्स्ट मेथड से 2⁻³ में कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. That is what I'm telling. That is what I'm telling. Writing. Let us see. No. See, that way quadratic was different, coming different.
Slow.
Here, quadratic 2⁻²x I will write 2⁻x 2⁻x raised to 2. Wait, let me write in this way. Plus 4 into 2⁻²x plus 1 I will write 2⁻²x 2⁻²x. Which one? Into 2⁻1. No, where? It is 2x plus 1, no? नहीं 2x plus 1 है. Where? Just all of you see in the textbook what is given. What is given in the textbook? X plus 1 है. Yes. That is why morning we are getting a wrong quadratic. It is yes. That is why we are getting a wrong quadratic. Yes. It is 2⁻x plus 1. So we have written the wrong question. That is why we were getting a wrong quadratic. So 2. No. Let me write no. We have copied the wrong question. Wait. It will come. Do not. Yes. 1 minute. Now it is clear. See, in the morning we have copied the wrong question. That is why the quadratic was wrong. Now let us write the correct question. Wait. It will come. 1 minute. And let us. Now it is clear. It will not be blurred now. Yes. Okay. Now we have copied the wrong question. In the textbook, it is 2⁻x plus 1. We have written this as 2x plus 1. That is why our quadratic was wrong. So this is 2⁻x plus 1. 4 into 2⁻x plus 1. Let us see. Any method will work in this. 2⁻. See, 2⁻. Yes, wait. Instead of writing 8 as 2⁻3, let us directly convert that into quadratic. No. Directly convert that into quadratic. 2⁻x plus 1 I will write 2⁻x into 2⁻1. 2⁻x plus 1 I can write 2⁻x. 8 minute. Give 1 minute. Where x minus 1? Now it is clear, correct? Okay. Now see, this I will write 8 into 2⁻x square plus 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2⁻x. I will take 2⁻x on the other side. Minus 2⁻x is equal to 1. 1 afterward. 1 I will take afterward. So this is 8 into 2⁻x square plus 2⁻x I will take common. Then it is 2⁻x I will take common. Then what is left? 8 minus. No. Because see there it is multiplication. No. First you have to multiply. 2 raised to x means it is 1 into 2 raised to 2 raised to 1 I have multiplied with 4, no? 4 into 2 that is 8. That you see, no? 2 raised to x. RHS I have taken 2 raised to x on the other side, no? It becomes minus. 2 raised to x means it is 1 into 2 raised to x. So I cannot cancel 2 raised to x, 2 raised to x. Yes, we cannot cancel. Is equal to 1. Wait. 8 into 2 raised to x square. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. Plus 7 2 raised to x. Minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 8 minus 1, 7. Now I will put 2 raised. How 14 is 7 into 2 raised to x, no? Yes. 7 into 2 raised to x. My dear, 2 raised to x and 7 you cannot multiply, because this is 2 raised to x exponent form and this is number 2, 7. Now I will put 2 raised to x as a. 2 raised to x I will put a. So this becomes 8 into a square, 8a square plus 7 into a minus 1 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Find two number whose sum is 7 and multiplication is 8 into minus 1 minus 8. Because coefficient of a square is 8. So I will take 8 into minus 1 minus 8. So find two number whose sum is plus 7, multiplication is minus 8. So I can take two number as 8 and minus 1. So 8a square plus 8a minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8a is common, then it is a plus 1 minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now a plus 1 is common. Minus 1 or minus we write, you can write minus 1. So a plus 1, then it is 8a minus 1 is equal to 0. So in morning we copied the wrong question, because of that we get the wrong quadratic. नहीं अभी इसको solve करना है. So first you have to solve, then you have to do substitute. नहीं अभी हुआ नहीं. That gives you a plus 1 is 0, no? Yes, that will give you a plus 1 is equal to 0 or 8a minus 1 is equal to 0, and that will give you a plus 1 is equal to 0. That will give you a plus 1 is equal to 0 or 8a minus 1 is equal to 0. So that gives a plus 1 is equal to 0 or 8a minus 1 is equal to 0. So that will give you a is equal to minus 1 or 8a is equal to 1. So that will give you a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 1 by 8. Now I will put the value of a. Yes, so that will give you 2 raised to x is equal to minus 1 or 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 8. No, wait. See now. No. See here. This 2 raised to which part? A plus 1 I have taken common, then 8a minus 1, a plus 1 is 0 or 8a minus 1 is 0, a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 1 by 8. Now I will put the value of a is 2 raised to x. So 2 raised to x is minus 1 or 2 raised to x is 1 by 8. But 2 raised to x is equal to minus 1 is not possible. This is not possible. It never be negative. It can be 1. can be 1 at most. It can never be negative because 2 raised to 0 is 1, no? Two- Yes, 2 raised to x will never be negative because this x value, see here, for example, now let me explain this part. Suppose x can take negative value -2 or 0 or 2. What is 2 raised to minus 2? 2 raised to minus 2 I can write 1 upon 2 raised to 2, which is 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? Positive. 2 raised to 0 will be 1 and 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 is positive. So in all the case it take value positive only. Whether number is negative or 0 or positive, in all the case the value of this 2 raised to x will be positive. And we are getting -1. -1 it is negative, it is never negative. So 2 raised to x is equal to -1 is not possible. Yes. See this, a is 1 by 8. What is the value of a? Resubstitute the value of a, no? A is 2 raised to x. So 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 8. But 2 raised to x will never be negative. That means this is not possible. So that will give you 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. So you will get 2 raised to x is equal to, take 2 raised to 3 in the numerator, 2 raised to minus 3. So that gives you x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Comparing the powers. So 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to minus 3. Comparing the power. So this type of problem, we form the quadratic. We try to get the 4 marks. We try to complete the quadratic. Now let us, those who are having the textbook, they suggest me whether I should, second, third करना है और you will do. Yes. नहीं कुछ नहीं है. देखो second also, only the thing is you have to be, चलो ठीक है. ठीक है. Let us do the second. 2 raised to 2x. 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 0. Solve this. So 2 raised to 2x, I will write 2 raised to x raised to 2 plus 2 raised to x plus 2, I can write 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2, no? Minus 4 into 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So this we write 2 raised to x raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 into 2 raised to x minus 32 is equal to 0. Now complete the quadratic. So what you will do? Put, bolo. 2 raised to x is equal to a. Because see, this 2 raised to x plus 2, we have written 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2, na? 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 4. Because see, we want to form the quadratic, so that variable must be inside the bracket. Variable term must be inside the bracket, no? We want in the form of a square. That power we want 2. So this, instead of x raised to 2, I will take this 2 in the power so that I can get the quadratic, no? I will not take x in the power. I will take 2 in the power. Now put 2 raised to x as a, because 2 raised to x plus 2, I can write 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2. What is my 2 raised to 2? 2 into 2, 4. So 2 raised to x as 2 raised to x as a. So this becomes a square. This becomes a square plus 4a minus 32 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic. So find two number whose sum is 4, multiplication is minus 32. Yes. Plus 8 and minus 4. Yes, plus 8 and minus 4. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 4, multiplication is minus 32. So the numbers are plus 8 and minus 4. 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 So this we write a square plus 8a minus 4a minus 32 is equal to 0. So a into a plus 8 minus 4 common, then it is a plus 8. Minus sign I have taken outside the bracket. So inside bracket sign will change. So a plus 8 is common, then into a minus 4 is equal to 0. That gives you a plus 8 is 0. A plus 8 is 0 or a minus 4 is 0. That gives you a is equal to minus 8 or a is equal to plus 4. So what is the value of a? A is 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x is minus 8 or 2 raised to x is 4. 4 which I can write 2 raised to 2. But 2 raised to x is never negative. But 2 raised to x is equal to minus 8 is not possible. Yes, is not possible because 2 raised to x is never negative. So that gives you 2 raised to x is equal to 4, which is 2 raised to 2. So comparing power, you will get x is equal to 2. Right side. 4 into 2x, where I have written 4 into 2x? This one. Now this 2 raised to 2 is 4, no? 2 raised to 2 is 4. Yes? Negative one. Yes. Let me explain. So comparing power, you will get x is equal to 2. Now why x is never negative? See this. How 4? 2 raised to x is 4. 2 raised to x is 4. 4 I can write 2 raised to 2. So comparing power, you will get x is equal to 2. Comparing power, you will get x is equal to 2. Then see, power can be negative. Power can be negative, but the value of that will be positive. Power may be negative, but the value of that number will. See this. Let us see one example. 9. See here. 2 raised to minus 3. 2 raised to minus 3, I can write 1 upon 2 raised to 3, and which is 1 upon 8. Minus 8 नहीं होगा. 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 upon 2 raised to 3, which is 1 upon 8. नहीं माइनस 8 ले सकता है, but see, let us explain. 2 raised to x is minus 8, correct? Let us take this minus 8. See, this I can write minus 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. Yes or no? All of you agree? 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. Yes or no? Now, so finally you will get 2 raised to x is equal to minus 2 raised to 3. But can you do the comparison? We cannot compare because this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. Are you getting? Nana, see minus sign. How you can take minus sign in the power? Minus is not in the power. Minus is with that number 2. Are you getting? Minus is not in the power. So if you take 2 raised to x, if it is plus 8, then we can do the comparison. But if it is minus 8, I cannot do the comparison because this base is 2 and there it is minus of. So whenever it is 2 raised to x is equal to some negative term, means it is not possible. Because whether number is 0 or negative or positive, in all the cases it will be positive. For example, 2 raised to minus 3, power is negative, I can take that as 2 raised to plus 3, 1 upon 2 raised to 3. Yes. 2 raised to, if it is 2 raised to x minus 2, I will write this as 2 raised to x into 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2, which is 2 raised to x, 1 upon 2 raised to 2, that is 2 raised to x upon 4. If it is 2 raised to x minus 2, then it is 2 raised to x upon 4. It will not be 4, it will be 1 upon 4. Are you getting? Yes. Now let us do third one. I think by solving second you must have got the confidence. Now let us do third one. Let us do the third one. Root 3 raised to x minus 3 is equal to, yes, what, this is fourth root of 3. Yes, what is that in the question? Just see. Fourth root or 4 root 3? Tell me. What is that? No, I am talking about this. Fourth root of 3 is there or 4 root 3 is there? Fourth root of 3, na? It is fourth root of 3. Yes. So now let us solve this. Now root 3 I can write 3 raised to half raised to x minus 3. No. See, this side it is fourth root. This side it is root 3. This side it is fourth root. I cannot do the square directly because this is fourth root. So 3 raised to half. No. Fourth root. No. See here, you go by the method. Root 3 means power half. Fourth root means power 1 by 4. So this is 3 raised to 1 by 4 raised to x plus 1. We go by the method. Root 3 means power half. Fourth root means power 1 by 4. Now we use power raised to power, multiply the power. So 3 raised to half into x minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 into power raised to power, multiply the power, x plus 1 upon 4. Now the base is same. So comparing powers, you will get x minus 3 upon 2 is equal to x plus 1 upon 4. Now cross multiply and simplify. How you can take LCM? We take LCM whenever both the terms are on the same side. If 4 is on this side, then we take LCM. But 2 and 4, they are on the opposite side. So only the way is cross multiplication. Whenever there is plus sign or minus sign and the terms are on the same side, we take LCM. But here the denominators are on the opposite side. So only method is by cross multiplying. Solve this and get the answer fast. Yes. So cross multiply. So 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 1. So 4x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 4x minus 2x is equal to 2 plus 12. So 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7. So 7 is the answer. let us do fifth one. Find the value of fifth one. You mark, very important. Fifth one, important for 3 to 4 marks. It is clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Fifth one, find the value of m and n. Find the value of m and n. Find the value of m and n. M and n. If 4 raised to 2n is equal to cube root of 16 raised to minus 6 by n, cube root of 16 raised to minus 6 by n is equal to root 8 raised to 2. Find the value of but 16 का क्यूब रूट क्या है? 16 का क्यूब रूट वी नो द नहीं है, 16 का क्यूब रूट नहीं है, स्क्वायर रूट नहीं 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 कहाँ क्यूब रूट? yes cube root of, if that is 8 you can directly write 2, but it is cube root of 16. So first you apply the logic. We apply the logic. Now which logic we are going to apply? Let's see. This logic we are going to apply. Wait. Wait. A is equal to B is equal to C. That gives you A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So A is equal to C and B नहीं दिख रहा है?
एक मिनट and now it is clear. Yes.
See, A is equal to B is equal to C we are given, no? See, A is equal to B is equal to C. Now in
अभी भी सेम थिंग? नहीं अरे अभी क्लियर है. नहीं अभी क्लियर है. नहीं अभी क्लियर है. नो that now it is clear, right? नहीं पूरा दिख रहा है फिर. इट इज क्लियर. नहीं क्लियर है कि कहाँ ब्लर. अरे इन no. See in my mobile also. No. I am seeing that. I am seeing the mobile from your angle. अभी no. I am seeing that from your angle.
So wait.
See, it is very much clear. No. How it is happening that mobile it is showing. 1 minute. I am doing that. If you are telling me it is not clear, now it is clear. Now it is. वो हेडिंग है. हेडिंग जाने दो. Now let us do this. Complete this.
So we are using the logic A is equal to B is equal to C. Now in A we have M, in B we have N, and C there is no variable. So I will use A is equal to C and B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C. I will use the logic A is equal to C and B is equal to C. Because in C there is no variable. So I will compare my A with C and I will compare my B with C. So we'll get 4 raised to 2m is equal to root A raised to 2. And other thing, cube root of 16 raised to minus 6 by n is equal to root A raised to 2. So I will solve this one, get the value of m. I will solve this one, get the value of n. So let us solve this. 4 raised to 2m is root 8 square. Now 4 raised to 2m, I can write 2 raised to 2 raised to 2m. 4 I can write 2 raised to 2. And root 8 I can write 8 raised to half. 8 raised to half raised to 2. Yes. So 2 raised to 2. How you can write 6? First go step by step. 2 raised to 2. So that will be... wait, no. 2 into 2m is 4m. 8 raised to 8 I can write 8 raised to half. 8 raised to half raised to 2 will be 8. Half 2 get cancelled. 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. Are you getting? Let me write next step. Half get cancelled. So 2 raised to 3. How root 8 into root 8? It is root 8 square. So root 64 will be again 8 only, no? Whether you are writing 8 raised to half raised to... you will get the same answer. You will get 8 only. Root 64 is 8. Instead of... yes. M is 3 upon 4. That is the correct answer. Go for second. So comparing power... No. See, you have to find the value of n also, no? Now go for this. No. A is equal to B is equal to C. Equations are equal, but value of m and n need not be equal. Equation equal दिया है ना? 4 raised to m is 3, so that gives you m is equal to 3 by 4. So we have found the value of m. Equations are equal. That does not give you that variables will be same. Now second, cube root of 16 raised to minus 6 by n is equal to root 8 square. Now solve this second part. Cube root of 16 means 16 raised to 1 by 3 raised to minus 6 by n is equal to root 8. I can write 8 raised to half raised to 2. So 16, this I can write 16, 1 by 3 into minus 6 by n will be minus 2 by n. You have to multiply the power. 1 by 3 into minus 6 by n, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 by n is equal to 8 raised to half into 2 will be 1, 8. So 16 I can write 2 raised to 4 raised to minus 2 by n is equal to 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. So power raised to power, multiply the power. So 2 raised to 4 into minus 2 by n is minus 8 by n is equal to 2 raised to 3. Now the base is same, compare power. The base is same, so we compare the power. Minus 8 upon 3, that is the correct answer. N is minus 8 upon 3, that is the correct answer. So we write, no, why you want to convert? Now comparing powers, you will get minus 8 by n is equal to 3. So minus, I will take this 3 in the denominator and in the numerator. Minus 8 by 3 is equal to n. And it was asked find the value of m and n. So n we have found. So finally we write our answer that m is 3 by 4 and n is minus 8 by 3. So such type of problems are important. Where you are given the equation and it is asked find the value of m and n. Yes, now we stop there. Morning I take your 10 minutes more. Now we stop here. Yes, bye. Yes. Answer m is 3 by 4. N is, I have written answer m is 3 by 4, n is minus 8 by 3. 2 raised to 4 raised to 2 minus 2 by n. So power raised to power, multiply the power. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 by n. 4 into minus 2 by n, no. So you have to multiply 4 to minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 upon n. And 8 by. And 8 I can write 2 raised to 3. Yes.
So now we stop here.